fitting to DIY one of the wedding dresses they sell. Now, I'm not gonna DIY.
Today I'm going to show you how to do the zoom in effect on YouTube videos. So firstly, go on iMovie and open the video that you want to do the zoom in effect on. Then go to the part where you want to do the zoom in and split it and do the same at the end. Now go to the clip that you want to zoom in on and click the magnifying glass up here. Then you're going to zoom in wherever you want. You can zoom in over here, you can zoom in over there. Just zoom in. So I'm going to zoom in there. And that is basically it.
To DIY one of the wedding dresses they sell. Now, I'm not gonna DIY.
Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!